Welcome back to our gardening channel. In today's episode, we're going to explore the wonderful herb known as lovage. Join me as we delve into its history, description, growing conditions, companion planting, and various uses. Lovage, and I love that name, has a rich history dating back centuries. It has been used since ancient times for both culinary and medicinal purposes. Native to the Mediterranean region, lovage was highly valued for its aromatic leaves and flavorful seeds. Now let's talk about the plant itself. Lovage is a perennial herb that can grow up to 6 feet tall. It features large, dark green, deeply divided leaves that resemble celery leaves, and its stems are hollow. The plant produces small yellow flowers in an umbel shape, clusters during the summer. Growing lovage is relatively straightforward. It prefers full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil. It's a hardy plant that can tolerate a range of soil conditions. Lovage benefits from regular watering, especially during dry periods. You can start lovage from seeds or young plants, and it's best to plant them early spring. Companion planting can enhance the growth and health of your lovage. Some great companions for lovage include tomatoes, beans, and carrots. These plants provide shade and help deter pests, creating a thriving garden ecosystem. Now let's explore the diverse uses of lovage. Its leaves have a bold, savory flavor, reminiscent of celery and parsley. You can use lovage leaves in soups, stews, and sauces to add depth and a unique taste. The stems can be used as a natural stirrer for drinks or as a garnish. Lovage seeds can be ground and used as seasoning in various dishes. That concludes our episode on lovage, the versatile herb that brings distinct flavor to any culinary creation and adds beauty to your garden. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy gardening.